In this video, we will cover a simple intro to data analysis in JASP for your survey design and data analysis course. This tool will support you in the analysis of data collected from closed-ended survey instruments for your final evaluation report. JASP is an open-source statistical package supported by the University of Amsterdam. It has been chosen for this course because it is free and easy to use. The instructional objectives for this video are the following: to open a .csv file in JASP, create a descriptive statistic table, create a frequency table, find the end of participants, find the median, mean, mode, and standard deviation of survey answers, find the number and percentage of female and male survey participants, and to download an age distribution bar chart. Opening the dataset. The dataset for this example can be found in the Google Doc provided by the instructor. Click on the document to download this document or spreadsheet in either Excel or CSV. Here is a look at the downloaded document. Opening the file. Now that we have the file with the dataset and know where it is, we can open JASP. In order to open, we'll head to the upper left of the screen. When we hover our mouse over the pancake icon, we will see multiple options open up. Head to the Open option and select the spreadsheet file. The opened file. Now that we've opened the file, we can see that it resembles the spreadsheet we had open in Excel. We have an ID column, an age column, and a gender column. After that, we have 10 columns with numbers indicating responses to closed-ended questions. Now it is time to start our data analysis. First, we're going to click on the Descriptives button up here, and the Descriptive Statistics panel is going to appear. On the left, we see our column labels, and on the right, we see the columns or variables that we are asking JASP to analyze for us. We're going to select the age, gender, and then question 1, 3, and 7, which we can see appear on the right. Now we're going to check the frequency table checkbox. Watch how this changes the data on the right. Now we need to plot our data. First, we're going to go to Basic Plots and select the Distribution Plots checkbox. On the right, we can see as JASP creates multiple bar charts. We're going to find these valuable later in our process. The last piece of data analysis we're going to do is we're going to open up the Statistics dropdown and check the median and mode checkboxes. So we're going to look at this before and after. And now we've gathered all the statistics we need to start data gathering. Now that we have performed the data analysis, it is now time to pull the pieces of data needed for the final evaluation project. The first piece of data is the N, also known as the number of survey participants. Since we see 25 responses for age and gender, the N for this example data set is 25. The second set of data needed for the final evaluation report is the median, mean, mode, and standard deviation for questions 1, 3, and 7. This information can be found in the descriptive statistics on the top of the right side. For question 1, we find that the mode and median are both 3, the mean is 3.080 and the standard deviation is 1.256. Doing the same for question 3, we see that the mode and the median are both 4. The mean is 3.240 and the standard deviation is 1.451. Lastly, for question 7, we first find that the mode is 4 while the median is 3. The mean is 3.040 and the standard deviation is 1.338. Now that we know where to find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, let's move on to piece of data number 3. Let's go find the percentage of male and female respondents in our sample. We can find this information in the frequency chart for gender, right here. We can see that 60% of our survey participants are male and 40% are female. Okay, and now we will move on to the last bit of data collection you'll need to do for the final evaluation report. We need to gather the age distribution of our survey participants. This won't be a frequency table for this. Instead, we've created an age bar graph that you will export to use in your evaluation report. Scroll down to the age bar graph and hover your cursor over age and see this downward arrow appear. Now select Save Image As. This will open up a File Navigator dialog box. Make sure that you save this file as a .png and hit Save. Now you know how to find and save the data you need to complete your final evaluation report for survey design and data analysis.